first remove this one. It's like that. And it's very easy. Must remove first and then second one, right? Don't remove this one first. Then it's very easy. And then this panel. To a 10mm bolt, remove it. Okay, I'm gonna remove this factory screen. Long nose, so I use this one, remove this one. Tool is very useful for removing anything. Okay, so you must take it out from the factory screen and then put it to our A10 display. Okay. Oh shit. Yes. So now Alright, this one is main harness, and this one is for connect screen and our head unit. Right, this one and this one. Take it out, just two connectors behind the head unit, okay? And then connect the same shape or connectors. And then there are audio connectors there. This one is for AUX audio. Right. Okay, that's it. And then this one bus goes up to upside here, and then connect black connector factory one. Okay, and then also this one goes to upside. Alright, there are some colorful jack behind the screen, but this one is for audio, for aftermarket audio. So if you don't have aftermarket audio system, don't worry, remove it, it's okay. It's like that. Tape up this wall. Right. And then I put this clip, which is removed from factory screen. Alright. And then I connect two connectors. This one, okay? Like this. Alright, so I'm gonna connect the touchpad connectors. If you don't connect touchpad connectors, there are no CAN bus systems, so everything's working. Okay, alright, there are two connectors, only for mouse joystick, and the second one is only for touchpad. So this car has touchpad, so you don't have it, right? You don't okay, So you don't need it. You don't need it, right? So this car has touchpad, so you don't need it. So I'm gonna cut it out and throw it away. Right. So if your car has a jog mouse, not touchpad, so you can cut it out touchpad, and then just wrap it the tape up like this. It's okay. Right. So that one is main interface. In Korea, there are aftermarket navigations here, but US, I don't know. US car has it like this. So I'm gonna 3M tape, put it here, and just like that. Right. That was for GPS. There was Wi-Fi antenna. Connect. Connect. Here. Okay, connect this black cable. Then connect this one. There are USB ports. I'm gonna run this USB port inside here, inside armrest. And then I'm gonna mount the mic here, and I don't need it. AUX system. Only mic. Their camera. Male, female, just connect each other. Camera and camera. Okay. Tape up everything. Right now I remain the mic and auxiliary GPS. Actually, if you use CarPlay and Android Auto only, you don't have to connect GPS. But our customer want to use our Android OS system. There are Korea navigation called T-Map. So you must. I must install it. I'm gonna put it here. And then on the cable. Just like that. Okay. And then mic gonna be here. And also run the cables through this one. And then put the mic and GPS.